How to add another account in WhatsApp on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add another account in your WhatsApp on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now for you to be able to use two accounts on your single iPhone, what you'll need to do is you'll need another app, as WhatsApp only allows one account per app. So as you can see right here, I have the WhatsApp and there is my account. Now, if I want to log in with my another phone number's account, I'll simply need the business version of WhatsApp. Now you can download this from your app store. Simply head over to your app store first. And after you're on the app store, simply search for WhatsApp. And you'll see WhatsApp Business. Simply search that. And after you search it, you can simply download it. Now download WhatsApp Business and open it up. Now here you will need to agree to its terms and conditions. So tap on agree and continue. After that, tap on use another number. And after you do so, you can enter another phone number that is for your another account. And tap on next and start setting up your WhatsApp. And it's that simple guys. That is how you can use another account, that is add another account in WhatsApp on iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.